Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete all chats on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete all chats on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone, and after that guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there is a three-dotted icon available for us. At the top right corner, tap on that three-dotted icon and tap on the settings option available for us just below the start messages, and tap on the chats option available for us just below the avatar. Tap on chats, and over here you can scroll down until the bottom and you will find the chat history option available for us. Tap on chat history and you can see the delete all chats option available for us. Tap on delete all chats, and you can also see or it says the also delete media received in the chats from the device gallery. If you want that to happen, leave it as it is. If you don't want it to happen, unselect it and tap on the delete chats option available for us over here, and all of your chats on WhatsApp will be deleted at once. And guys, this is how to delete all chats on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.